Today we will speak about what is knowledge. So knowledge has at least these many definitions, each being a different, a deeper, wider definition of knowledge. In its simplest and most known form, knowledge is equal to empirical data. Which is the empiricist view of knowledge itself. At the next level, knowledge becomes classification of some sort, it becomes information. And when it is information, we are really talking about saying that when it is information, you are really saying that it has started getting classified or categorized. The minute categories come, language comes. Because language and categories are intertwined. Culture comes. Society comes. Previous knowledge comes. So my ability to categorize is severely limited by who I am as a society or as a group of people. I can categorize only as much as I perceive. So there is already a problem there. By the time we have moved from empirical data to information, we already find that there are severe problems in terms of understanding whether information is subjective or objective. Can you see this? In order to group 5 pieces of data together, I have to classify them. The minute I have to classify them, where did that classification come from? Who gave that classification? You gave it. The minute you gave that classification, that means what form that information takes is shaped by you, not by the information itself. Now, so you understand that there is classification here in the human mind which is actually determining what is information. Now you go back one step, again to data. And now you will see that in data, my organs or my instruments determine the data that I collect. If I have a more powerful Hubble telescope, then I can get more data than otherwise. So the structure and nature of my eyes or the structure and nature of my human form actually tells me the limits of sensory data, empirical data that I operate with. In other words, your sensory system is the limits of your knowledge externally. Yet there may be knowledge which is more than that. So again, there are either severe limits to knowledge when I view it as simply empirical. Can you see that? So your sensory system, or rather let me use the word, your organs of knowledge collection determine the scope of your data. If for example you do not know how to meditate, it means one entire class of data in the universe is locked out from you. It means you are already just half educated. Because one entire half, and if you really look at the matter a little further, you will find that 3/4 of the potential data that you might actually carry are all actually lost to you. So in fact, anybody who starts by saying that I have actually collected and understood knowledge from outside is already only 1/4 educated, if you ask me. So you are dealing with a severe handicap of ignorance. So this is empirical data, then you have got information.